next day I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first to the face, I hear the voice, so you don't know, say a cogent, say for the cogent, reacts. Freeze! Channel, motherfucker, but today, we have 9thStreet, Beezy, and Tblackz, F the hook. You understand? F the hook, fam. We don't need no hook. F the hook. You understand? But the reason why I said, freeze! Because y'all niggas know why, because he had the song, the fucking Blood on the Leaves thing. I was about to do some big explanation. I don't need that shit. Y'all niggas know what he did. The Blood on the Leaves dig. And he said, and too bad girl wanna suck on me. But anyway, man, I don't want to waste your time for jumping at this or that. We don't know, say Beezy sick. I don't know who Tblackz is, but I hope him sick. It have almost 200k views post September 29, so that's pretty good. And directed by Beezy. So Beezy director as well. You understand? So the man a do him thing. You understand? So big up Beezy, dog. So I don't want to waste too much time. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. But let's jump into this shit. You know what I'm saying? Beezy. Secret base. Foo. Yeah. Gang.
Hey, J1, that's things, man.
Bow.
Tell the younger they get lippy, just lick shots.
Hey, lippy lick shots.
Those days where chilling like a bum doing TikToks.
A movie by JAMAICAN.
Trap shit where they put me in, Joe. Saying why is it had info. Time my laces come, let's kick off. Don't get me pissed off, like us down and it's making me miss shots. Had the J's done a late night raid, the endos high, already got tipped off. Me and Black on swapped our blades to clean that shit with bleach and a dishcloth. I break bread like Holy Communion, even shares anytime I dish prof.
No. The laces and kick off and miss shots, like, dog, you just started, bro. You literally just start the song. Give me a second, dog. Like, make me just, you understand? Boom, buckler. Alright, forward. Ready now, ready. Listen to this beat, dog.
Time my laces come, let's kick off. Don't get me pissed off, like us down and it's making me miss shots. Had the J's done a late night raid, the endos high, already got tipped.
Oh, like us down and it's making me miss shots. Like the phone company, like us down and it's making me miss shots. Dog, that is wow. Alright, yeah, that's mad. Yeah, I like this. I'm already 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 already.
Time my laces come, let's kick off. Don't get me pissed off, like us down and it's making me miss shots. Had the J's done a late night raid, the endos high, already got tipped off. Me and Black on swapped our blades to clean that shit with bleach and a dishcloth. I break bread like Holy Communion, even shares anytime I dish prof. Nights on the wing just baking, listening to Snoochie, munching a Bishkoff. And I used to get aired by this foot, now to my songs she get litty and TikToks. Little mansion, I chill, not dish rock, but that shit there don't run in this spot. Tell the younger they get lippy, just lick shots. I was doing up prep for those days where I chilling like a bum doing TikToks. Visit them ops with them big group trap with bro when we finish no split prof. Get money and dip thoughts, bros moving dumb and he's got him in a wrist lock. I need with them meals, no ZZ. So I fuck with the green, no seaweed. Got big man cussing on the phone cause running got jerked for the TT. My base for she heard the
Mills and ZZ and seaweed, yeah. Big up ZZ Mills. ZZ Mills kinda sexy still.
dip thoughts, bros moving dumb and he's got him in a wrist lock. I need with them meals, no ZZ. So I fuck with the green, no seaweed. Got big man cussing on the phone cause running got jerked for the TT. My base for she heard the yeah on the phone to relax when it's only the TV. Got a couple bros down in the mud, got bros on the wing that really need to be free. Aye, 88 cap on a Logic Pro, JLR settings I'm watching TV. 630 that's Holly Oaks, might tweet into the news briefly.
Bougie nights, this was sweet. Hello, hi, my name's Beezy.
Hello, hi, my name's Beezy, bro. This man is dumping off with flows right now, bro. What? Listen.
Bros on the wing that really need to be free.
Listen.
88 cap on a Logic Pro. JLR settings, I'm watching TV. 630.
Hey, what about Logic Pro?
Aye. 88 cap on a Logic Pro.
Oh, it ain't cap on a Logic Pro. Oh, it mean he's not ain't capping in the rap, bro. No cap on the recording, bro. No cap in my rap. Yeah, I like that still. No cap on a Logic Pro. I've never heard that. That's sick.
Got bros on the wing that really need to be free. Aye. 88 cap on a Logic Pro. JLR settings, I'm watching TV. 630, that's Holly Oaks. Might tweet into the news briefly.
Bougie night, this was sweet. Yellow high, my name's Beezy.
Yeah, she freaky, 2-2 convo, now she want cheat me. I love a trapper's life, I'm still on go, if needs be. Access to the boom bye-bye, to get anywhere one of them needs be. That's that my slime that we've been out here since tiny tweenies. This one weird, whoa, she needy. Told her slow down, take it easy. Cause that Maz in the public place, have eyes screaming out in the background. In the tea with the raw, and he keep getting gas, get slapped, get smacked down. Kills was gone for a set, but it's back.
In the tea with the bro, it don't matter how many times I hear a tea in the Raw and SmackDown like thing. If you do it well, bro, it just like a slap dog. You understand? SmackDown, slap dog. You understand?
Told her slow down, take it easy. Cause that Maz in the public place, have eyes screaming out in the background. In the tea with the raw, and he keep getting gas, get slapped, get smacked down. Kills was gone for a set, but it's back now. GPE when I'm bringing them waps out. Get busy in the crack town, pats get chopped, get bagged in the yacht's house. Yacked in the crop, till the guys all in without waking any elbow up. On bail for carrying.
Bro, why do they always talk about waking the elbow up, bro? Even K1 N15, creep for the back with the elbow, sleeping, shank on my waist. If he waits, I reveal it. No, that's Shambo, but on K1 song. But you understand, like, the man them does, so the elbows have all the drugs. That's what you're saying. So you need to stay in gang all the elbows. Alright, fam, me forward. I'm taking a plane to England. I would on a mission to stay in gang all the elbows, bro. I'm here, I'm ready for it.
Yacked in the crop, till the guys all in without waking any elbow up. On bail for carrying. Still stepping this ram mule tuck. School days playing stuck in the mud, now stuck.
You're on bail for carrying shanks, but you're still walking with the rammy tucked. I mean, I understand why still, but that's mad.
On bail for carrying. Still stepping this ram mule tuck. School days playing stuck in the mud, now stuck with the tugs and assist when I cuff. Just bought ups in the strip before I hop with the pen. I see the man cut. I'm a trapper, and I can show you how to hit souls. No. Trap shit where they put me in jail. Saying why is it they had them info? No. Jake said the guys on over anytime they follow, they acted on info. My young boy just moved 2 packs, but a prof right back, can't lie, he did. Step me to the tea, I can't inhale, smoking a pipe and might just lit that. My Kit Kats don't take no bricks, neither do I, any shot man hit that. I got 2 workers in town, one on
Any shot, man, hit that. Man, and at the start of the song, Like Us Down got me miss shots. Man, don't want miss shots, bro. I want to hit every shot, man. 100% shot accuracy. Jesus.
Kit Kats don't take no bricks, neither do I, any shot man hit that. I got 2 workers in town, one on stock and the other on dispatch. 1 G packing enough.
One on stock and the other on dispatch. Bro, the man is a real trapper trap. Like the man have, bro, the man, his trap is organized, bro. You understand? We need to go and work for our 9thStreet Beezy, bro. We need to go at least document the trap. Man said he has a nigga in what? Stock and a nigga in distribution. That's what he just said. Website.
2 workers in town, one on stock and the other on dispatch.
One on stock and the other on dispatch. Bro, the man them organized, bro. Next thing the man them are gonna say, them have, you know what I'm saying, bro, I don't even know. Them have a nigga that fly it in on a private plane. I don't even know, fam. Why, Beezy, I see you sweating, bro. You know what I'm saying? You need to take all those things off, fam. You're sweating. You're hot. I'm sweating. And I only have this on, literally. I don't have nothing. Anyway, man, y'all niggas don't need to know that shit.
Neither do I, any shot man hit that. I got 2 workers in town, one on stock and the other on dispatch. 1 G packing enough, to the packs, I twin it. I pull out my kids, having dust in the way. I pull out my dick, then I bust on her face. I pull up in whips, try puzzle my brain. I sit in the trap, then I hustle for days. On the grind, can't cuddle with bait. Jailhouse scraps, fling knuckles and face. From young, try double my wage. I double the flake, then I pebble away. 1 hand on the sign when I swing that. Being bad, they knew I've been bad. Been there, see ops came, we slid back. If ain't the rams or the Samuel, the hip, no flicks, just know that the kit's fat. Ain't in it, no chit chats. Need me them licks, that'll bring me that big bag.
Nah, I have to take that back now because that flow ain't forwarded for start. It's crazy. Listen.
Packs, I twin it. I pull out my kids, having dust in the way. I pull out my dick, then I bust on her face. I pull up in whips, try puzzle my brain. I sit in.
I pull up my kitchen, but dust in the way. I pull up my dick and I bust in the face. Bro, listen.
I got on dispatch. 1G packing enough, chill the packs. I twin it. I pull out my kids, having dust in the way. I pull out my dick, then I bust on her face. I pull up in whips, try puzzle my brain. I sit in the trap, then I hustle for days. On the grind, can't cuddle with bait. Jailhouse scraps, fling knuckles and face. From young, try double my wage. I double the flake, then I pebble away. One hand on the sign when I swing that. Being bad, they knew I've been bad. Been there, see ops came, we slip back. If ain't the rams or the Samuel, the hip, no flicks, just know that the kit's fat. Ain't in it, no chit chats. Need me them licks, that'll bring me that big bag. Big fucking bag.
Large amounts records.
I fuck the hook. Fuck the hook.
AJ want the flings, man.
Get
Aye.
GPE.
Bow. RPYK, RP. Yeah. Just black screen. Give me that screen. Listen, dog. That flow at the end by Tblackz, that just take it up to 9.5. I swear to God, bro. So Beezy flow straight throughout the song, you understand? Him and then Tblackz, bro. Can I go back and listen to that flow again? I have to know, please. Just don't cuss me down, please. Even if you cuss, I don't give a fuck. You can't do me anything. I don't care. That guy, that light-skinned nigga, he loves that knuckles in face bar. You see that? He loves it. Look how him sing it. You see, knuckles in face. He loves it. But anyway, alright, yeah. You get the point, bro. The song is fucking sick, bro. You understand? I'm not going to pull up nothing. You know the song's sick. Big up Beezy, big up Tblackz. F the hook. Really and truly, F the hook. I didn't even feel like I need a hook in this, bro. The bars and the flows are just going off. And the beat as well, dog. Like, mad thing, dog. But don't know. 9.5 or maybe a 10. I'm not sure. You don't know. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want me to react to next. Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. And about this motherfucker, man. Yes. Yeah. Can't wait the girl. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pussy to me.